Welcome to another video. We're out today on the little tiddler. It's a beautiful day. We are going to the Lakeland Motor Museum. There's a bit of a classic vintage meet up there. So we've fueled up. So it's not a very long run. It's just a couple of miles to the Motor Museum. But it's a good little run out on this bike. So this is a ride and drive-in kind of meet. So there should be lots of different cars and bikes of all ages. So we'll get some footage of what we see, hopefully speak to a few people, and hopefully you enjoy coming from the ride. We managed to get about 50 miles out of the tank of fuel before I went on to reserve. So two things, it's not very economical and it's only got a small tank. But I think the clocks could be in miles per hour. I don't think they're spinning around quick enough to be a kilometre. I don't think we'll be breaking any speed limits today on these roads. And here we are. I'm going to go in here. Welcome to the Lakeland Motor Museum. We're here today for the Drive and Ride Classic Car Meet. I've came on the GT125. There's a couple of other vintage Japanese bikes here. There's the Kawasaki 750, that's a triple. Suzuki 500. Triumph, not a Japanese bike but pretty cool nonetheless. And then a GT 750 triple, known as the Kettle, a water cooled one. There's a Suzuki GS 850. It's a big beast when it's parked next to mine. Similar era, you can tell by the wheels, the cast wheels and stuff. And there's mine, hiding behind it. It's certainly a clean one. Similar era again from the 70s, but this is the GT 750. Liquid cooled, so it's got the radiator on the front. The nickname for this one was the Kettle. Plenty of classic cars around as well. Quite interested in this sort of era, this age. Just before my time, but these were around when I was younger. Ford XR3 in a beautiful yellowy colour. There's all sorts of age of vehicles here today. This one's probably before most people's time. This is a 1928 Ford Model A. There's a Z3, pretty tidy condition. It's a 2.2, 6-cylinder. It's an auto, and I'm going to guess that it's a Japanese import, just because of the size of the number plates on it, but I could be wrong. But we've got all sorts here. Austin Healey, a couple of E-types, another E-type there. That one's got my attention, this little Toyota over here. It's a Toyota, but it has a Vauxhall red top engine on individual throttle bodies. some length of bonnet on these E-types. There's a Mini with a half Mini trailer. There's the Mini, and there's its trailer. Now this is the sort of thing from my childhood. Never had one, but a Renault 5 GT Turbo. Some pretty spectacular colour scheme. Roll cage inside. Jensen Healy in orange, next to an MG also in orange. Wouldn't be a classic car meet without a split screen. It's early 80s, immaculate RX-7. Another one of my personal favourites, Porsche 911, the Targa, the whale tail. (1979) Volkswagen. Never seen one of them before. A Carmen. They do have a bit of a Porsche look about them from the front, but I do like this long, sleek back end. And then another split screen. Another old Volkswagen. Nice to see some Volkswagens that aren't Beetles. Nothing against Beetles, but these things are cool. This is a Ford Lotus Cortina. It looks massive from the front. Well, it's pretty big, but I love those deep dish wheels. Just a little giveaway Lotus badge on the side. Cortina twin cam. A few nice MGs here. It's a MG 1600 Mark II. And then the Midget. I do like the back end of the Midget, that kind of angular look with those sort of squared off lights. It's a Scimitar with a V6 engine in. Now this is the coolest Volvo I have ever seen. It seems like it's got such a high front end. Just that distance there at the front. But then look how low and sleek the back end is. It slopes down like that. If that didn't have a Volvo badge on it, I would never have guessed that this was a Volvo. This is a Lee Francis. I love that spare wheel cover. Morris Minor 1000. Convertible. I recognise those seats, they look like MX-5 seats to me. (1959) Land Rover Series 2. Beautiful red Morgan.
Drive carefully.
Cool little custom bobber. Looks like it was a Yamaha 125 or something. Well, there you go. That's everybody dispersing now. There's only the kettle left and some of the cars are leaving. So we're going to get on our way and get back home. First kick. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments what your favourite vehicle of the day was. And as always, thanks very much for watching. If you want to see some more of that kind of content with the classic bikes and cars, then do give us a subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later. Bye bye. Need to bear in mind I'm not on the fastest vehicle for pulling out onto a national speed limit road. And we're away!